And we, open bracket, insert team name here, close bracket, challenge you, Fiscal Seacreatures, to a game of Typewriter.
Typewriter is a game where a person tells the story in a typewriter while his fellow teammates act it out.
Can I get a genre of film, literature?
Hindi.
Silent movies.
Horror.
Hindi. Oh, okay. How about Bollywood sci-fi? I had just gotten off the train from India. My clothes were American, so it was made in China. My bags were still on the train. Oh, I forgot that.
The train left.
The train had left. I was all alone. I was in a strange new land. I was hungry. I was cold even though it was like 90 degrees. I was missing my family. That's when she came along.
Hi. I'm lost.
Said I. She introduced herself.
I'm Sahi.
Nice to meet you, Sahi. I'm not Sahi.
I said, with a hint of love in my voice.
So,
We walked around talking.
do you live here often?
She didn't speak that much English, so she had no idea what I was saying.
I'll take that as a yes.
Said I. We walked around when we came to a temple. It was no ordinary temple, but it was a new temple. I'd not seen it before.
Then again, I don't live here, so I wouldn't see anything.
I lamented to myself.
Come inside.
Oh, thank you.
She said.
I didn't know you owned a temple.
I said, when the servant, Ishmoosh, came along.
Hi there. I'm not Sahi.
Upon his screech, I immediately felt compelled to burst into a song.
Oh, I like living here. It's a great place to be. Oh, I like living here. Yes, I do. Oh, I like living here. It's not where I used to be. Oh, what am I to do? Oh, that's great.
Big chorus!
Oh,
that's
I like living here. Yes, I do.
Ishmoosh had interrupted my incredibly great and show-stopping song with a great and powerful screech as he stabbed me. Ishmoosh had always been in love with Sahi and found that I, not Sahi, had come to steal her heart, and he could see that. She gave me a loving embrace because that's all that's acceptable in India. I began to speak my last words.
This is the worst spring break ever.